To create Facebook account, first of all open your Facebook Lite app. Then click on create new account. Again click on create new account. Give first name and last name of the account. Then click on next. Set date of birth. Then click on set. Then click on next. Click on gender and click on next. Click on sign up with email. Then put your email address and click on next. Create a Facebook password. Then click on next. Click on not now and click on I agree. Click on choose different account. Click on no, create new account. Then check your email address for confirmation code. After putting confirmation code, click on next. Add a photo in your account and click on done. Click on friend icon. Click on upload contact. Click on turn on. Then make add friend. Then click on your Facebook icon, cross, then click on 3 dot icon and click on copy link profile and click on turn on professional mode. Click on next. Click on next. Then go back to your account. Now change your email address. Click on 3 dot icon and go to bottom of the account and click on settings and privacy and then click on settings. Click on account center and then click on personal details. Click on contact information. Click on add new contact. Click on add email address. Then go to your Chrome browser and search mail.cx. Click on pen icon and click on random and choose .com email and copy this code and go to your Facebook app. Then paste the email address and click on next. Then again go to your Chrome browser. In your Chrome browser, click on gear icon and you will find your code here. Copy this code and go to your Facebook Facebook app. Now enter the confirmation code, then click on next, click on close and click on your main email address. Click on delete email address. Now this temporary email is your main email address of the account. Click on back and click on password and security. Click on two-factor authentication. Click on your Facebook and click on your authentication app. Choose authentication app and click on next. Copy this key and go to your Chrome browser again. In your Chrome browser, search tofa.cn. Paste the code here and click on submit. You will find the verification code at the last of your 2FA code, that is 804240. Copy this code and go to your Facebook app again. Click on next and enter the code here and click on next. Your two-factor authentication is on. Click on done. Your account was created successfully.